Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and today we are going to give you a massive comparison video between Jotform, Typeform and the Google Form. So which one is better? So if you're confused, then watch this video so you can get a clear overview for each platform. So the first one is Jotform. So Jotform is best choice if you need advanced customization, payment collection and conditional logic. It supports over 400 integrations, offers HIPAA compliance, and works well for business needing powerful features, great for complex forms and workflows. Now, next one is Typeform. So Typeform stands out for its beautiful conversational forms that boosts user engagement. It's ideal for surveys, lead generations, and marketing. Though it can get expensive and has limits on responses in the free versions. Now, the last one is Google Form. Google Form is the go-to option for those who want a simple, reliable, and free tool with unlimited responses. It integrates perfectly with Google Sheets and is best for quick internal forms or basic data collection. Now here is the final verdict for you. Go with Jotform for business and payment heavy needs. Pick Typeform for sleek, user-friendly experience. Use Google Form for free, basic, no frills form creation. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful and let us know in the comments below which one you are choosing. And so don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Hope till next time.